If you're just starting out in real estate, the amount of advice out there can feel overwhelming. Today, I'm going to break down 3 easy, actionable things that you can do and that you need to focus on in order to start your real estate career. My name is Aviva. I'm the top commercial real estate influencer in the world. I have a company called The Warehouse Hotline where we buy, sell, lease, syndicate, and manage warehouses in Denver, Colorado. 97% of my leads are from the internet, and I share that with the world at Aviva Real Estate. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Step number 1 to start your real estate career, get your real estate license. Nobody is going to take you serious until you get your license. So, the very first thing is research the requirements in your state and course. Each state has a different pre-licensing requirement for hours and exams. So research your state, figure out what you need to do to get that license. For example, I started in Colorado. I need 168 credit hours and pass 2 tests. I want you guys to comment below what state you're in and if you plan to go residential or commercial. When I was getting my license, I did it online so I could have the flexibility to work at my own pace, and that worked really well for me. I did it with a company called the CE Shop. I have a 35% off coupon in the notes below. Go grab it there. Figure out the requirements for your state, and second, get to work. You just got to do it. I'm going to be honest. It took me 3 times to pass both tests. Now that you have your real estate license, you can start to talk to industry professionals and look like you're serious, which you are because you wouldn't be here at this point of the video. Here's an anecdote. I get people every day asking me, I want to be a broker. What should I do? Are you hiring? Everything of the like. I will not talk to anybody about brokerage unless they already have their license. You know, everybody wants to be a 7-figure broker, but not everybody is cut out for it and to do the work. You are, because you're here with me. So, take your course hours, pass, and then let's talk. If you can't commit to the long game, real estate is not for you. But if you can make like I said, you can become a 7-figure broker. You can make an unbelievable life for yourself. Step number 2, once we've passed the commercial real estate licensing exam, it's time to get your finances in order. What does that mean? Let's talk about my buddy Jeff. Jeff Bezos ran Amazon in the red for 10 years. From 1994 to 2001, Amazon lost $2.9 billion. Now, their sales skyrocketed, going from $15.7 million in sales in 1996 to $1.6 billion in sales in 1999. They later IPO'd at $18 a share in 1997, and now if you look at the price of Amazon stock, it's north of $3,000. All of this to say, you can work a few months without getting paid. You're going to have to do it. Get your finances in order, and this is what you need to do. Safety net. It's not glamorous, but it's real. Save at least 6 months of living expenses before jumping in full time. Real estate deals can take months to close, so your 6-month cushion will keep you from panicking and making desperate moves. You can work a side job. So when I started, I was bussing tables at a crappy Italian restaurant, and that job carried me until I could replace it with commissions. Today, instead of getting paid in garlic knots, I'm paid in commissions, and I make more money in one deal than I made in an entire year bussing tables. But I worked in real estate in the day, and I bussed tables at night, and so it gave me the opportunity to not stress because I knew I was playing the long game. Your first year in real estate is about building a pipeline of relationships and skills and not getting rich overnight. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get-rich-quick over the course of your life. And having a financial foundation gives you the patience to actually play the long game and succeed. Step 3, find mentorship and work. And what does that look like for someone just starting out? So the fastest way to learn is to work directly under somebody doing exactly what you want to do. So, actionable step number 1, get a mentor. Who do you know who works in the business? Who do you know who can introduce you to someone who works in the business? Time to get social. How can you provide them a value in return? It's time to get comfortable getting uncomfortable. And the first step is to reach out within your immediate network. You want to start connecting the dots of who might be hiring, how you can get your foot in the door. Please be respectful of people's time. Do anything in your power to make this worth their while, or they will not take the time, period. Don't just ask for free advice. Position yourself as someone willing to work hard and contribute, and let them know that their time sharing with you is worthwhile. Don't know anybody in the business? No worries. Time to hit LinkedIn. A lot of smaller brokerage firms that are growing will be hiring, and this is a really good way to start in the business. You don't have to be at the top brokerage day one. Believe me when I tell you, the brokerage you decide to work for is not going to tell you how successful you are. Everybody thinks that their brokerage is going to be the make or break. No, it's your action that is the make or break. So I want to see in the comments if anybody's tried to get a job in real estate on LinkedIn and what has worked and what hasn't worked. Now, another really way to get your foot in the door is to essentially look up every commercial real estate brokerage in town, maybe the top 10, 15, 20, call the front desk. Ask to talk to the managing broker. This has to be done via phone or you will be ignored. The managing broker knows what you're doing and you are trying to get an in-person interview with them. Get your interview. Pick up the phone. Tell them who you are, what you do. You have your license. You have your financial plan. You want to work to make your own way in the business. Can I meet with you? They know what you're doing. They know you want a job. This is how we court each other in commercial real estate. You're going to get a million no's, and this is normal in real estate. I eat no's for breakfast with my Cheerios. They're low in protein, but all you need is one yes. So you're calling every brokerage in town, asking to talk to the managing broker, asking to meet with them, getting an in-person meeting, and then selling yourself. Dress to impress. Please. Now, if you can get in with a successful broker as a mentor and work really hard under them, provide value, prove your worth, they will hand you deals, right? Brokers like myself who've been in the business and older, the median age for a commercial real estate broker is 55 years old. We get deals put in front of us every day that we say no to because they're too small. Find yourself a broker who is big time. Provide them a value and they will get these small deals handed to them. And when they don't want them, they're going to give them to you. And you're going to close them and you're going to pay them a referral fee and you're going to watch your pipeline grow. This is a huge opportunity in this business. And it's a way for you to start making money, start making connections, start making contacts, and even just understanding how to transact, because that is an art form in and of itself. So absorb everything you can under mentorship. Go on property tours, sit in on client calls, learn how brokers structure deals. In 6 months, you're going to learn more doing deals, jumping in with 2 feet than you ever could on your own. All right, so the 3 steps you need to take to start in your real estate career. 1, get your license. 2, get your finance in order. And 3, find a great mentor. And here's the bonus tip that I wish I knew. Day 1, start talking about real estate online. You don't have to talk about what you sold or what you didn't sell. But if you want to start selling houses, start talking about houses. If you want to sell hotels, start talking about hotels. When people see you talking about a topic over time, they assume you just do it. This is powerful. And after years of doing this, it works. Believe me. All right, if this video helped you in any way, please drop a comment below telling me what step you're going to take first in your real estate career. Please subscribe and send this to somebody who needs to see it. I share weekly tips on this channel to help you win in real estate. See you next week.